Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc also strongly denounced Ukhrul killings. Former Minister Ratan Kumar Kumujam questioned the state government's policy on maintaining law and order, alleging stark contrast between the valley and hill districts of Manipur. Speaking to reporters at Congress Bhavan, he condemned the killing of 2 Naga individuals in Ukhrul district by Kuki militants and extended condolences to the bereaved families. Ratan Kumar criticized Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand's visits to hill areas as meaningless, asserting that mere assurances without concrete long-term policy measures will not resolve the ongoing crisis. He claimed that while peaceful protesters in the valley face strict law enforcement action, armed groups continue to operate freely in the hill districts, raising serious concerns over state's handling of law and order. Questioning the effectiveness of handing over cases such as Ukhrul and Tronglaubi incidents to NIA and announcing ex gratia, he asked whether such steps will bring an end to the conflict. He urged the government to ensure transparent investigation, bring those responsible to justice and adopt comprehensive measures to restore peace in the state.
Manipuri tapak terlebih district singsaji tasena aku di law and order se rule of law se aku layer law biar. Kerana makana cuma aku di hingsa yang kita yang non-violent ina peaceful ina aku di protest over. Adik aku rally cat pada bawa aku di security measures singsina yang excessive over kan bawa aku panggil. Tapak terna terikta tahu Tumi bawa payah. Peaceful rally bawa tahu protest bawa tahu Singna na pretty sophisticated weapons memang payah. Hiding over the hapa, cutting over the kapa, etektong over the tawuch. What is this state government doing? Aku ini kalau mami kara halawa, enai itu sinaraga di pesakara sinaraga, is gereja pira is ge luar negara. State government should be very firm in their handling of the law and order policy. And certain authorities in there, attention to draw tawzarga, atu wamatamda marali singse, terrorist singsi. Masih matakta akan may isang lawag ka daw ni aduga ako'y rule of law lay ekse masih kanganan kita magta ako'y akan ba ako'y policy kara daw ka daw